Hello everyone, welcome to Victor Creates channel. I'm Victor and today we're gonna make this cute cotton snowman. Okay, first I started from searching a reference picture. Pinterest helps me a lot. And yeah, I have nails, but I have nails only in the first part of the video. I need to explain. I'm a nail tech, and it was my first experience of making cotton toys. Actually, I liked it so much that I suppose I will continue with this experience and with making videos from this. And right now, as you can see, I'm making a base. Little bit of aluminium foil. I'm trying to make snowballs, like a base of 3 snowballs. Then I use vinyl glue, water-based vinyl glue, and I need a cotton, lots of cotton. As you can see here in the first part of the video, I'm still with nails and yeah, I work with no gloves, because like this I can feel a little bit better the material. This glue I've diluted with water, so it became very liquid and I just continued to create a volume. Layer by layer, I'd some glue on this layer of cotton and then cover it again and then let it dry, then cover it again. Here I already prepared a rope. And I fix it a little bit with a hot glue. I use thread to emphasize the waist and neck area. Then again, I cover it with a layer of glue, and my brush helps me to cover the thread with very teeny layer of cotton. While it's drying, I'm preparing a hat, because my snowman has a hat. I just need to add some volume in the zone where should be a hat. First there will be a volume. Then I also decided to add some volume in the zone of the face. And here I need a cotton pad. As I understood, actually I saw it in lots of tutorials previously, that some parts of costumes, other bloggers, they use lots of cotton pads to apply in the zone when you need just a smooth surface. Cotton pad helps a lot in this case. And in this moment I decided also to prepare a nose. Like a carrot nose, so we roll a little cone and just in the shape of a carrot and let it dry. Later we will cover it with an orange color. Here I cover a rough part with a glue. I use a central part of the pad because it's the longest one. Fortunately I have a rectangle pad. Divide it in two and use this half part of the pad as a board of the hat. One side I try to make a little bit larger. In this way it becomes a circle. After I have finished with this part, I just leave it to dry for a night because it's full of glue, it's sweaty, and on the next day I continue. In this moment you can see that our snowman is already dry and I have covered it with one layer of white color from a spray. Okay, I've tried to use an aquarelle, but actually I don't like it. I mean, I didn't like it at all because when it's already dry it does not absorb absolutely anything, so I decided to prepare a green color. I just have mixed lots of colors together to find that green I would like, but it was already acrylic color, because acrylic color cover much better. Aquarelle, you know why? I've heard that lots of bloggers who make cotton toys, they say, oh, if you want you can try aquarelle because it leaves this cool marble effect on the surface. Well, not in my case. It was absolutely shitty effect. I didn't like it at all. And I decided to use a green acrylic because it covers much better. You can also notice that I use strange brushes for application of color or for application of glue. Well, for application of color I use mostly my acrylic brushes because I'm a nail tech and I have lots of brushes for acrylics, and I have some brushes I do not use. For example, like this one here, it's a brush I bought in China on AliExpress or something like that. As surface is very rough, I don't want to destroy my good brushes. And again, cotton pads help me to make mittens this time. Or hands, just mittens or hands, mittens. Here I wanted just to make a small experiment. I've mixed my vinyl glue with acrylic color and tried to apply that green vinyl glue under my mittens. Well, I could not do this actually because it was the same effect. I mean, when you do it or neither you don't do it, it doesn't matter, because in the end you will cover it with a layer of a color and there will be the same effect. So if you would like to color your cotton, I suppose it's better to do it a little bit previously, to color it with some color previously, let it dry, and then to use it. And now with a hot glue I apply a nose on the place where it should be. It sticks very well. And then on the place of the eyes I apply small black pearls. And in the place of the buttons, the same black pearls, but a little bit smaller. To fix better these hands, I decided to put first a small amount of hot glue and then to stick that hand inside. Like this it will be fixed much better. Then I cover it again. I cover these mittens again with the green, and as I have told you before, my green glue was absolutely useless because I could have the same effect with actually with just green color. And now I decided just to add some shadows to make a contrast, give some depth in the zone of the scarf, just to make more evident that it has some volume. Then with gold metallic acrylic I cover this like zone of the rope and I just add some accents on his mittens, and the same stripe I will put also on the scarf. So our snowman is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, give me your thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye!